Hey Mike, this is Nathan with Everything Residential calling. Just letting you know that we're about 20-25 minutes out to install that microwave for you. But go ahead and give us a call back when you get this message and we will be there shortly. Thank you and good morning.
Hey!
That nigga's tough, boy!
This is how we start our day. Park the Tacoma. Now we're into the box truck. This is the our go-to vehicle.
Spill cookie crumbs on myself?
So this is what we're using right here. All our tools are in the back. And let's get to our first service call. What do you guys say?
At the light, turn right onto South Arizona Avenue.
All right, we got our microwave removed. We have a new microwave going in. Now they want us to install this bump out kit. So you just attach it. We're gonna find some studs. I believe it's right here somewhere. Attach it. I believe they bump it out because the venting's not lining up, so they create that little air so we can vent. But there it is. And there it is, folks. What do you think, Nate Dogg?
The ball game.
That's the ball game. Got the microwave installed, signed off. And I think we're gonna get a 5-star review out of that one. All because of Nate Dogg's charming personality. We'll see you at the next call. All right, Nate Dogg's doing his second call for the business.
Bro, get out of here, bro.
Let's see it.
Hey Nikki, this is Nathan from Everything Residential. Just giving you a call. Good, how are you? We're about 20-25 minutes out. We're going to be there to frame that door for you and get everything rolling today.
All right, we're here at the next job site. We've been doing a kitchen remodel here. We will be replacing this entire front door with something a whole lot better. Almost got the cops calling me for not wearing a mask, so I'm definitely wearing a mask. All right, now we gotta get some shims. Let's show you what we have here. We got some 2x4s for the framing, OSB for when we remove the stucco, or not, it's gonna go where the window's at. Some insulation, we got some foam, we got a broom, because I lost mine. We need some shims and some sealant. That's all she wrote. Here we are. Gelled when?
Yeah, only just a sneak peek. But, you know what we coming with. It's 2021.
I wonder if you can put them in individually. Let's open it up and take a look. It looks like you can. I don't know, we'll see. All right, there it is. Got the door installed. Got the other side framed in. Over here is going to be some cabinets. Young Bleeperton out there. Got the installation in and over here. Helped me put the door in. What do you think, Nathan? It was your first door putting it in. What do you have to say?
It's cake.